Hi, Mark Anthony here, just to share with you a little thing about freezing raspberries. And look at this, I just got a case of raspberries. These were 50 cents a piece, so I got a whole case for $6. And of course, we can't eat a whole case in days or weeks, that type of thing. But what I'm doing here is I'm freezing the raspberries. Now, if you're going to freeze raspberries, you have to do what they call IQF, individual quick freeze. That's what the commercial industry calls it, for individual quick freeze of foods. A lot of your raspberries, blueberries, they do the same thing. And what we're going to do, this is November, and 50 cents a piece, I said, I'll take it. And so what I'm doing here is I'll freeze them, and then after they're frozen, I'm going to bag them up. These are already frozen. Of course, I'm going to date everything. You want to date things when they're going to go in the freezer. And as long as it's identifiable, you don't need to put the name of the product. It's when something is not identifiable, then health department requirements, that's when you want to put a label and a name on it, which doesn't hurt anyway. But just that easy, and we will have strawberries all winter for smoothies and things like that. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you, it's that easy to save a lot of money and have healthy fruits. You can do this with pineapple. Pineapple right now is at such a remarkably low price. We'll probably do a little segment on that too, but get those healthy fruits when you can and freeze them like this, and you can do smoothies all winter long. And you can even eat them right out of the freezer. You want to eat them before they really get soft, but that's the way to do it. So Mark Anthony, have a great day.